हॅलो. The score is double three at the end of the 2 over for the loss of 1 wicket.
The score is 43 for 2 at the end of 3 overs.
Superstars at the end of 3 overs, 43 for the loss of 2 wickets. Gaurav will be bowling the fourth over.
Here comes Gaurav Pratap Singh from the bowling end. Bankaji on strike. Fourth over in play. It's a good length ball. Hit it on the leg side for a six. It was a flat six. Once again, picks it up, hits it in the mid-wicket area for a boundary. Six? Sorry, correction, it's a 6. So back-to-back sixes here for Bankaji. He's showing some really good form. He's batting on 40 of 9 balls. And this completes a hat-trick of sixes for Mr. Dheeraj Banka. And the bowler is under pressure already. Ball.
This could be the fastest 50 if he gets 4 of
So
those
Bankaji is batting on 46 and this could be the fastest 50 of this SPL if he scores of the next ball. Can he make it? Can he be the highest 50 scorer? Here it goes. Dispatch out of the ground in the long on area for a huge massive 6. So it's 4 of 4. So there is a history in the beckoning. Can he make it 6 of 6? 4 balls, 4 sixes, and that's a 50 for Mr. Dheeraj Banka. Wow! 5 of 5. This is a huge over. This is a huge over for Superstars. 30 runs scored off the first 5 balls. Can he make it 6 of 6? Can he repeat a Yuvraj here? Sultan's under tremendous pressure here. And that's a 1 declared. 31 of the last over scored.
4 over 74.
So after 4 overs, Superstars are cruising at 74 for 2. Bankaji is playing a phenomenal inning at 59 of just 13 deliveries. Aditya 2 of 2. It's a mandatory power play over number 5. Empires. It's a power play over.
Superstars batting on 74 for the loss of 2 wickets at the end of 4 overs. They're cruising here midway. Can the Sultan stage a comeback? Here comes the power play over with Shwetang Mishra. The young new talent has shown a lot of promise. Can he give the breakthrough? Offside straight to the fielder. Chance for a run out here. The batsman just makes it inside the crease on time. So a good first ball. The Sultans need to contain Superstars. नहीं, चलेगा.
Shwetang with the second ball of this over. The projected score shows 142 for Team Superstars. If they do it, it will be the highest score of this tournament. Shwetang with the second delivery. A good shot, and this has been hammered down straight for a massive hit. That's a 6. Aditya is well known for hitting power 6s. He gets one from the middle of the bat. Sultan's at the back foot currently. Third ball of the over, Shwetang. Let's see what Aditya does. It's a slower ball, and if the batsman has picked him up beautifully. The moment he released the ball, he knew it was a slower one, and he has converted it for a maximum. 2 sixes of last 2 deliveries, and Mr. Kunal making his way to the commentary. So, Team Sultans again are under pressure. Mr. Kyron making his way to the commentary box. Can he join us for the commentary? That's a boundary. Wonderful shot by Aditya. He's a good player. He has all the shots in the book. He watches carefully the bowler and he plays according to the direction where the ball lands. 90 for the loss of 2 wickets. Superstars are making it a very big score. They are on the way to make a very big score. That's a massive hit from the middle of the bat. The moment it made the noise, it was clear that it's going for a maximum. 96 for the loss of 2 wickets after 4.5 overs. Can they make it 100 of 5 if they hit for a maximum or a boundary? Both the batsmen are quite set and they are making their bat talk with each and every ball being bowled. The young talent is under tremendous pressure to contain these batsmen. A good ball and a good shot. This time it's a boundary and the 100 comes up for Team Superstars. The quickest one to reach 100, I guess. Team Superstars at the end of 5 overs are 100 for the loss of 2 wickets.
Superstars playing at a run rate of 20 per over. So 140 is on the board, and if they can get more, they can cross the 150 mark as well. Jatin is the next bowler. Sultans need a breakthrough here. They need to break this partnership to come back into the game. Can they do it? That's smashed and it had written 6 all over it the moment it left the bat. Superstars going from strength to strength. Sultans need to find a way out. That was a good comeback. Maintaining that offline. The batsman had no clue. A wide swing of the bat. Cleaned him up. Get the breakthrough, what they wanted. They get rid of the dangerous batsman, Mr. Dheeraj Banka.
16 balls.
Dheeraj Banka, 65 of 16 balls. He's played the captain's innings. The captain leading from the front, showing superstars the way. Here comes the next batsman, Sandeep Chiplunkar.
Sandy boy!
So Jatin to Sandeep. Can Jatin get Sultans back on track? The Sultan need a good 2 overs to finish the first innings here and give them a chance. Here comes Jatin with his next delivery. The bowler missing the run up. It's a lovely ball right into the block hole, straight to the fielder. Shoaib wanted to go for the run out, but he realized that there was no backup. He knows they cannot afford extra runs here. It's a lovely over so far. Just sticking to the basics, bowling that offside line. The batsmen have to be content with the singles. Sultans need to finish well. It's a full toss. Played on the off, straight to the fielder. Contains them to a single. So good over by Jatin.
6 overs, 108 for 3.
Superstars are 108 for 3 at the end of 6 overs. So they have another 2 more overs to go. They need to finish well here. The game is still under control. 108 for 3 at the end of 6 overs. So Ananya Bhatt comes to bowl the next over. He's an exciting new talent. So Aditya Pawar, last 2 overs of this first innings. Ananya strikes with his very first ball, gets the dangerous Aditya Pawar out. They needed this. Sandesh Vartak walks in, the next batsman. So Sultans making a sort of a comeback in the last 1 over or so, but can they maintain the momentum? They need to contain the superstars from here on. They cannot let the target go way beyond their chase. It's a lovely ball hitting the deck hard, extracting bounce from the pitch. There's a new batsman on strike. 2 dot balls. Needs to finish the over off well. Short ball again. Played in the square region just for a single. Ananya keeping the batsman contained. Once again bowls short, but errs in the line. Umpire signals are wide. That's 1 for the over signal by the umpire. That's a good ball. Not giving the batsman any room to swing his arms. He's bowled a very good first 4 deliveries. Needs to finish the over off well. Can he do it? It's turning out to be a good over for Sultans. Just the respite that they needed after getting hammered in the first half of the innings. Jatin and Ananya showing the way, making a comeback for the team. And he finishes off well, but can... That was bad bounce. It was unlucky for the bowler as well as the fielder. The result is a 4. So the score is 116 for 4 after the end of 7 overs. And we have last over left for this innings.
Prashant will be bowling the last over. Superstars are looking good with the score of 116 for 4. Taking strike will be Sandesh Vartak. On the non-strikers and it's Sandeep Chiplumkar. Last over of the match. Let's see what superstars can do with this over. Will they try and beat Rowdies for the highest score of the innings, or will Sultans be able to contain them for a minute? And it's a good shot and has been fielded well by Shivam. That's a misfield, but well collected by Advit. 1 for the over. But single of the very first ball. Second ball. And he has hit it down the ground. Will this be caught? Oh my God, it lands in between 3 fielders. None of them had given a call. Very poor fielding. Very poor communication.
The catch goes down here. Lack of communication between the fielders. And that is a lovely piece of fielding. Jatin passing the ball to Gaurav, but last 4 balls of the innings. Sorry, last 3 balls of the innings. Bowls short and bowls wide. They need to finish this over off well. Jatin and Anantya have bowled a very good over. That's head high up in the air. Ananya under the ball. The ball pops out of his hands. $124. 2 more deliveries to go. Can they cross the 130 mark? Bowls full, only for a single. They have to be content with the single here. Chirag collects the ball, throws it back to the bowler. 125. So here we come to the last delivery of the innings. It's a lovely piece of bowling. Dot ball 125. So the score is 125.
125 for 4.
125 for 4 at the end of 8 overs. अरे वो drop catch. So Superstars posting a massive total of 125 runs for the loss of 4 wickets from their quota of 8 overs. Can Sultans chase it?
चाबी भी तेरे पास, फ्लैट की दे दो ना भाई, फ्लैट की दे दे ना भाई, फ्लैट की दे दे।
We'll have a record chase if Sultans breach that score. They're very much capable of doing that. They have a good mix of young and experienced players. Superstars with their team huddle. We'll get we'll get back soon for the second half of the match in a few while.
अरे मयंक है
Here comes the chase. We come to the second half of the innings. Rishabh and Gaurav, the openers for Sultans. Vivek Chauhan with the ball in hand. And bowling the power play, Vivek Chauhan. Here we are ready for play to begin. Here comes the first ball of the second innings. Smashed the very first ball, but he skies it high up in the air, and Aditya takes a very clean catch at mid-off. And Rishabh. So Sultans lose their first wicket. So Superstars off to a good start. The wicket of the very first delivery, and walks in Shoaib. The next batsman for Sultans. Sultans definitely need him to be there at the crease. He's one of the best batsmen of Spring Grove, and he needs to deliver here.
खड़े रे भाई खड़े रे
We have a good contest here. Vivek bowling to Shoaib. Swing and a miss.
that's when Shoaib
Hits it straight up in the air, and that's another catch here in the mid-on region this time. And that's a big blow for Sultans. A crucial wicket goes down. Superstars with a dream start here. Sultans are yet to open their account, and they already have two batsmen in the dugout. Shivam Singh is their next batsman. So bowling a very good line here. Good length on the offside. Asking the batsman to go for the drive. Bowls short and he's pulled it in the mid-wicket region, and that's a boundary. So a rare loose delivery ball here by Vivek. The batsman cashes in. It's a lovely ball, and respect shown by the batsman. Defends it. And Sultans at 4 for the loss of 2 wickets after the first over. Gaurav Singh and Shivam. Two batsmen at the crease. They need to have a partnership going here.
बॉलर कौन है? बॉलर ये गिरीश बॉलर नाम बॉलर का नाम जयसवाल.
Samir Jaiswal is the next bowler for Superstars. Sultans need a partnership here. They need to put some runs on the board. Bowled short. Pulled it on the leg side just for a single. It's a lovely ball right into the block hole. The batsman plays it well. That's a repetition of the previous delivery. He's bowling a really tight line. The batsman equally cautious there. He picks this one up, but straight to the fielder. A deep square leg. And with that, Sultans lose their third wicket. They just need to find out a way to stitch a partnership, keep the scoreboard moving, to relieve some pressure off them. Gaurav Joshi walks in. Pulls it just for a single. भर के लाता हूँ, भर के लाता हूँ. Wickets falling in a heap here for Sultans. Sultan at the end of 2.1 overs, 6 runs for 4. Jatin. Jatin is the new batsman in. So right in the block hole. Jatin watches it. He skies this one as well. And that's yet another catch. Sultan's looking under tremendous pressure here. It's a good drive towards the long on area for a single. Superstars bowling a tight line here, not giving Sultans any room. That's a lovely shot. He picks it, dispatches it in the long on area for a huge 6. So the youngster showing them the way. Sultans just need to pick themselves up. The match is not yet over. They need a partnership going here. Put some runs on the board. And then take it on from there. So at the end of 3 overs, Sultans are on 14 for the loss of 5 wickets. Bowls a full toss on the leg side. And that's a boundary. Gaurav Singh needs to score more of these. It's a lovely ball. Straight to the fielder. They've just not been able to pick the gap, Sultan. Every time they hit it in the air, the ball has gone straight to one of the fielders from Superstars. Chirag Yadav, the new batsman. Played it on the up for a single down the leg side. So two young players at the crease, Ananya Bhatt and Chirag Yadav. Swing and a miss. Straight to the keeper. Bowler signaling it was agonizingly close to the wickets. Swing and a miss again. Now this was down the offside. Umpire signaling a wide. So way down the offside. Goes for a single down the leg side. They need some big hits here to be in the chase. There's a mammoth total there to breach. Singles will not help their cause. That's down the leg side for yet another wide.
Sultans 22 for 6 after 3.5 overs. Vivek bowling the last ball of this over. He has taken 3 wickets after giving 12 runs. And that's a good ball. A dot ball, 20 over. So mandatory power play over number 5.
Here we come with the mandatory power play. Sultan, the scoreboard says 22 for 6 at the end of 4 overs, and we come to the power play. Dheeraj Banka. Can Sultan stage a comeback? The power play over. Full toss, skies it up again. Sandeep Chimpulkar under it, and he takes it cleanly. So this has been the story.
आगे सब इधर ही है। विशाल है इधर, विशाल भाई है ना, मैं देखा उनको, इधर ही है वो। So wicket is down. Sultans 7 down now. Shwetang Mishra takes the strike. There's a new batsman on the crease. Dheeraj Banka was very good with the bat early on the innings, and now with the ball too. That's a wide ball. 4 overs. That's a wide, 4.1 I guess. The scoreboard hasn't been updated. So it's 23 for the loss of 7 wickets after 4.1. Batsman has played it down for a boundary. Score moves on to 27 for the loss of 7. Third ball of the over. Oh, it's a miss. Very close to the stumps. It's 27 for the loss of 7 wickets. Another good ball, another miss. Batsman under pressure, looking to score maximum from each ball, but unable to connect the ball. Required rate is cruising high, and this is a miss. Went for the catch, but he has missed it, Mr. Sandesh. And this has been played down the leg side for a single. Sultans haven't been able to make it count. At the end of 5 overs, the score is 28 for the loss of 7 wickets. Last 3 overs, they need 98 runs of 18 balls, which is merely impossible. Required rate is 33 runs per over. This is Tanay bowling the 6th over, and a good ball, he misses. He has hewed it, targeting the cow corner, but he has missed it completely. Good ball, first ball, dot ball. That's a 6. Much awaited boundary for Team Sultans, so that they have something in the scoreboard. Otherwise, the run rate will really take a toll on the qualification scenario. They have to score as many as possible, so they be in the match. That was a full toss, and it's a no ball. No given by the leg umpire. It's a free hit. Good shot. Five 5.3 overs. The score moves on to 42 for the loss of 7 wickets. Umpires, please ask the players to continue, because we are already late. We are running late. We are behind schedule by 1 hour. Requesting all the players for the next match to be ready. Team Rockstars, Team Superstars and Team Rowdies for the last match. Keep your players ready so that you guys can take the field once this match is over. We have very limited time left in the day's play. Welcome Ms. Anisha to the commentary box. And it's a good hit by Chirag. Is it a maximum? No, it's a 4. Good shot by Chirag. The score moves on to 46 for the loss of 7 after 5.5.
पहले बताओ कोई मेहमान आता है घर पे
That's a 6.
पानी पूछता है ना पानी तो नहीं
The 50 comes up for Team Sultans after the end of 6th over. They are 52 for the loss of 7 wickets. 74 required of 12 balls, which means they need 37 per over. This means they need 36 each. 6 from all the balls, all 12 balls. Will give them a chance to be in the hunt. The more they score, the run rate will be better. Last 2 overs. Who is going to bowl it? It's Nitin. Nikhil. So Nikhil will be bowling the 7th over. T-shirt के नीचे मिल गया and is bowled fall of 8th wicket. Two more wickets for Team Sultans and they are done with the batting lineup. 11 balls, 11 more balls.
सब कहेंगे चुप रहे वैसे तो मेरे को बर्दाश्त नहीं कर सकते ऐसे
नहीं मैं
सार्थक करेगा सार्थक दे दे
देखो इतने प्लेयर्स पता नहीं है
मैं बताऊंगी ना
कोई नहीं यार लास्ट ईयर इसमें क्या कमेंट्री करना हेलो
मेरे को लेके मरेगा
ये हाँ ये पकड़ के रखो and that's a 4. Good shot by Prashant, his first ball, and it was a really good shot. A bit of short delivery by Nikhil, and he capitalized. And it's the 3rd ball. Another good shot, good pull shot, and it's a biggie. It's a 6. Another 6 by Prashant. Nikhil is bowling a little bit short and I think he needs to correct his length. Let's see what Prashant has to score now in this over. They can increase their net run rate a little bit, Sultans. That's a wide. Another wide by Nikhil. Sultans need 61 in 9 balls. Well, that's another wide by Nikhil. 3 balls left. Prashant on strike. Coming left arm over the wicket now. That's a no ball. And it will be a free hit. Nikhil bowling a little bit of extras. It's a free hit, Prashant. Lot of extras by Nikhil. Needs to get his length and line right. Oh, another no ball. Free hit will continue. A bit of discussion from the superstars, thinking whether to cut down the over. I think someone else will bowl. It's Sandesh who will bowl the remaining 3 balls. Prashant on strike, and it's a free hit. Well bowled by Sandesh. It's a single by Prashant, and 2 balls left in this over. The score is 68 for 8. Sultans need 58 runs in 9 balls. Well bowled by Sandesh. It was a good Yorker ball. Good end to the over. 7 overs. 69 for 8 Sultans. Last over left, 57 runs to win. And it's a new bowler, Ashwin from White City. Oh, short delivery, and that's a 6. Good shot by Prashant. Ashwin has to bowl a little bit further. Needs to correct his length. Five balls left in the game. Another short ball, and that's a bound. Oh, good fielding. Oh, another short ball, and I think it's a wide. Ashwin needs to bowl a little bit further. Chirag on strike. Another boundary. Chirag is helping his team, increasing the net run rate, which might be crucial in the later stage of the tournament. White ball. Sultans need 44 runs in 3 balls. Another no ball. And it's a free hit now. Full toss. Good catch, but it's a free hit. It's not a wicket. Last 2 balls of the match. Oh, well bowled. This was a good ball. Run out chance at the non-striker's end. Oh. Last wicket. I request the batting team to send the batsman quickly because we are running already late. We need to finish the match quickly. पौने 6 तक हो जाता है, पौने छः कोई स्टार्ट हो जाता है। 45 मिनट्स तो मिलेंगे। लास्ट बॉल ऑफ द मैच, 1 ball, 41 runs to win. Good fielding there, full effort from the fielder, and it's the end of the match.
अंपायर जल्दी